If you want to make a call while keeping your number private, there are a few different methods you can try. One of the easiest is to enter a blocking code before dialing the number you want to call. Start by opening your phone app, then punching in the code. If you're in the US, the most common blocking code is *67. Another common blocking code is #31#, which works for Canada and several European countries, as well as in India, Israel, and South Africa. It's also the code you'll need to use in the US if you have phone service from AT&T. If you're not sure which code is correct for you, do a search for blocking codes in your area or contact your phone carrier for more information. Once you've put in the right code for your region and service provider, dial the number you want to call as you usually would. The blocking code should hide your caller ID from the person receiving the call. However, be aware that 911 and 800 numbers will still be able to see your number. You can also mask your number using settings on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, open Settings, then select Phone. Next, tap Show My Caller ID and toggle this option off. If you have an Android phone, open the Phone app, then tap the menu button in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From there, choose Calls, then Additional Settings. Tap Caller ID and select Hide Number. Keep in mind that not all carriers offer the option to hide your phone number, so you may not see these settings in your phone.